Alright, welcome back. Today we're doing what is a HTML iframe. Iframes are basically used to embed another web page within your web page. So the tag for iframe is like this. iframe source, and then we give it a URL and we give it a title of description and then end the iframe. So you can use this to embed any site that allows it into your own website. Some of them block it, I think. So if we do https google.com, we will see what happens. Now it says refuse to connect because Google will block any iframe attempts because they don't want you embedding their site. So I'm not sure what a good test site is to show this. Wikipedia.com. Oh yeah, that works. So you can iframe in Wikipedia and then use it here. As you can see, the default iframe width and height are a little bit small, so if we wanted to set an iframe, you can just put in width equals 100%. That will set it to the full browser width here, and then we'll go height 600 pixels. Oh, that's wrong. Height equals 600 pixels. Title Wikipedia. So yes, that is a HTML iframe. Oh, it doesn't want to do my height for some reason. That's probably because it's just height 600, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. So now we have Wikipedia embedded in our HTML document. So all this browser is doing from here is just directly loading this website. And because I have a refresher, it's refreshing it over and over again. But yes, that is what a iframe is. You can also turn the border off on the iframe if you want to not have this attractive border on it. You can target it with just iframe and then go border equals 0. I mean border colon 0. And then that should get rid of our border. And then if we wanted to set the background the same, if you wanted to hide the fact that it's an iframe, not that it really hides it, you could set it, get rid of the margin and padding off this site and then set it to the whole site if you really wanted to. But we won't do that today. What else can you do with iframes? Anything else? Not really. That's about it. Just embed other sites. You can target the height and width with CSS if you prefer as well. I shouldn't put anything in there. So if we wanted to move this width and height to here, we could do that as well. Just width 100%, height 600, 400 pixels. And then we just get rid of this, and that will style all iframes on the site the same. So that is an iframe in HTML. Amazing. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.